How to block a tag on Wattpad. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to block a tag on Wattpad easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Wattpad app. Now this is the home page as you can see, and now all what you have to do is go to the top right here and click on this icon. Now right here you will find two options. The first one is include matter and second one is blocked tags. Click on blocked tags like this and now add tags that you want to block. For example, lovable like this, or Lady Gaga, language, and click save right here. And now I just blocked those tags as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.